Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving deep into the culinary arts as we unveil the 10 most popular cooking techniques used by professional chefs. Whether you're an aspiring chef or simply a passionate home cook, these techniques will elevate your skills in the kitchen and take your dishes to the next level. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Sautéing. Our first technique is sautéing, a classic method known for its quick and flavorful results. Chefs use a small amount of oil or butter over high heat, allowing ingredients to cook rapidly while maintaining their natural textures and flavors. The high heat creates a beautiful caramelization on the surface of meats and vegetables, imparting a delightful taste and adding depth to any dish. Number 2. Braising. Next up is braising, a slow cooking method that's perfect for tougher cuts of meat. Chefs sear the meat first to create a rich crust, then place it in a pot with a flavorful liquid such as broth or wine. The dish is then cooked at a low temperature for an extended period, resulting in tender and succulent meat infused with the essence of the braising liquid. Number 3. Roasting. Roasting is a versatile technique that brings out the natural flavors of ingredients while creating a beautiful caramelized exterior. Chefs use dry heat in the oven to cook meats, vegetables, and even fruits. The result is a dish with a crisp exterior and tender interior, showcasing the inherent flavors of the ingredients. Roasting works by exposing the food to direct heat, causing the sugars and proteins to undergo the Maillard reaction, a chemical process that results in the browning and deepening of flavors. This technique is perfect for bringing out the sweetness of root vegetables, intensifying the richness of meats, and enhancing the natural sugars in fruits. The controlled heat in the oven allows for even cooking and the development of complex flavors, creating dishes that are both visually appealing and incredibly delicious. So, whether it's a succulent roasted chicken, caramelized Brussels sprouts, or a perfectly roasted butternut squash, roasting is a culinary technique that never fails to impress. Number 4. Grilling. Grilling is a beloved technique, especially during the summer months. Chefs use direct heat from a grill to cook ingredients quickly and impart a distinct smoky flavor. Whether it's a juicy steak, vegetables, or seafood, grilling adds a delightful char and enhances the natural flavors, giving dishes that irresistible grilled taste. The intense heat of the grill creates beautiful grill marks, adding visual appeal to the presentation. It also caramelizes the sugars in the food, creating a depth of flavor that is hard to replicate with other cooking methods. Grilling allows for the fat to render, resulting in succulent and tender meats. The smoky aroma that permeates the food adds another layer of complexity to the taste profile. With the versatility of grilling, you can experiment with different marinades, rubs, and sauces to further enhance the flavors of your dishes. So, fire up the grill, gather your loved ones, and enjoy the sizzling goodness that grilling brings to your table. Number 5. Poaching. Poaching is a gentle cooking technique that involves simmering ingredients in a liquid just below boiling point. Chefs use this method to cook delicate proteins such as fish, eggs, and poultry. The low heat and moist environment ensure that the ingredients remain tender and retain their natural flavors. Poaching is an excellent way to infuse subtle aromas and flavors into the dish. By using flavorful liquids like broth, wine, or herbs, chefs can create a delicious poaching liquid that imparts its essence into the ingredients. The gentle cooking process also allows for precise control over the doneness of the proteins, resulting in moist and perfectly cooked dishes. Poached eggs with their velvety yolks and delicate texture, or a tender poached salmon fillet, are just a few examples of the culinary delights that can be achieved through the art of poaching. Number 6. Steaming. Steaming is a healthy and efficient technique that preserves the nutritional value of ingredients. Chefs use steam to cook foods, allowing them to retain their vibrant colors, textures, and flavors. This method is particularly popular for vegetables, seafood, and dumplings, resulting in dishes that are both delicious and visually appealing. Steaming works by using the heat from boiling water to create steam, which gently cooks the food. Unlike other cooking methods that require oil or fat, steaming requires minimal added ingredients, making it a great option for those seeking lighter and healthier meals. The gentle and moist environment of steaming ensures that the ingredients remain tender and retain their natural flavors, while also preserving their nutritional benefits. Number 7. Frying. Frying is a technique that brings a satisfying crunch to various dishes. Chefs use hot oil to cook ingredients quickly, creating a crispy and golden exterior. From classic French fries to tempura-battered vegetables, frying adds a delightful texture and indulgent flavor to a wide range of foods. The high heat of the oil seals the surface of the ingredients, locking in moisture and creating a contrast between the crispy outer layer and the tender interior. While it's important to use the right temperature and avoid overcrowding the pan, mastering the art of frying opens up a world of culinary possibilities. Number 8. Deep-sealed baking. Deep-sealed baking is a unique technique that's gaining popularity among chefs. It involves sealing ingredients in an airtight bag and cooking them in a water bath at a precise temperature. This method, also known as sous vide, ensures even cooking and exceptional flavor retention. By cooking ingredients in a sealed environment, flavors are intensified and moisture is locked in, resulting in incredibly tender and flavorful dishes. Deep-sealed baking allows for precise control over the cooking process, as the temperature can be maintained at a constant level, preventing overcooking or drying out of the food. This technique is particularly ideal for proteins like steak, chicken, or fish, where the desired outcome is succulence and perfect doneness throughout. The result is a beautifully cooked dish that is incredibly tender, moist, and full of flavor. Deep-sealed baking opens up a world of culinary possibilities and allows you to create restaurant-quality meals in the comfort of your own kitchen. Number 9. Emulsification. Emulsification is a technique used to create smooth and creamy sauces, dressings, and mayonnaise. Chefs combine two immiscible ingredients, such as oil and vinegar, by slowly incorporating one into the other while whisking vigorously. The result is a stable and harmonious blend that enhances the overall flavor and texture of a dish. Emulsification works by suspending tiny droplets of one liquid within another, creating an emulsion. This technique allows ingredients with contrasting properties to come together in perfect harmony. Whether it's creating a luscious vinaigrette for salads or a velvety hollandaise sauce to accompany eggs benedict, emulsification adds richness and depth to a wide range of dishes. Achieving a successful emulsion requires patience, control, and a keen eye for texture. With practice and attention to detail, you'll master the art of emulsification and be able to create luxurious and delectable sauces that elevate your culinary creations to new heights. Number 10. Deglazing. Our final technique is deglazing, a method used to create flavorful sauces and gravies. Chefs deglaze a pan by adding liquid, such as wine or broth, after sautéing or searing ingredients. The liquid lifts the brown bits stuck to the bottom of the pan, incorporating their rich flavors into the sauce and adding depth to the final dish. And there you have it, the 10 most popular cooking techniques used by professional chefs. From sautéing to deglazing, each method brings its unique qualities and enhances the flavors of ingredients. By mastering these techniques, you'll elevate your culinary skills and create restaurant-worthy dishes in the comfort of your own kitchen. So, get cooking and enjoy the art of gastronomy. If you found this video informative and enjoyed learning about these cooking techniques, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting culinary content. Also, let us know in the comments which technique you're most excited to try. Until next time, happy cooking!